One of the first steps in creating any kind of automated process in SQL Server 2005 is going to be that of creating operators. Now, operators are the people who will be contacted in the event something needs to take place or something needs to be reported to someone that something has taken place. So to create an operator, notice what we're going to do. We're going to go into the SQL Server Agent Service in the Object Explorer, and again I'm in the SQL Server Management Studio, and if you expand SQL Server Agent, you will see operators here. Now note, you cannot expand SQL Server Agent if it's not started, and so you'll need to go through the process of starting it, and I've been through that in another video. So on the operators, if we simply right-click on operators and choose New Operator, we will get the New Operator dialog box. Now, we're going to put a name for this particular operator up here, and in this instance, I will simply put Mark. Now, my notification options, I can send an email. This is provided I have email functionality set up for SQL Server, and depending on your particular email server, I would suggest that you go out to Books Online and look at email capabilities. It's very easy to set up. You're basically going to set up a profile for your SQL Server to contact your email server. Then the NetSend address, this is the one we'll play with in the course here. LSBRG is the machine I'm on for the NetSend. NetSends are great to make sure that a lot of different people get the address or get the message. Then a pager email name if I have pagers. Now, if I'm using pagers, you'll notice that I can set a schedule on these things. So example, let's say that Mark works Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to about 4:30 p.m. Okay, so we'll run this up to 4:30. So if we have a notification between those times, let's let Mark grab those. Better yet, let's say that we're going to split me with somebody else, and so I'm going to handle it on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. We'll have another operator to handle Tuesday and Thursday. On Saturdays, I come in, or I'm covering from about 7 to about 1 in the afternoon. And on Sundays, I cover, say, from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. So notice what's going to happen when a job or an alert happens and someone needs to be notified. By putting me in, SQL's automatically going to check to see if I'm on duty for pagers and page me. Otherwise, it'll net send me or email me. Now notice the strength in this. If anything happens that I need to be alerted on, it'll email me, net send me, or send me a page. And again, and I've already said this, but you'll have to have a third-party pager system tied into your SQL Server. Now, once I have been set up in a number of jobs to be notified, I can come into the operator here and click notifications, and I will see the alerts or the jobs that I have been listed on that I can be notified by. And also I can see the notifications that have been sent. So I will say OK. And there's my new operator set up. Notice right here it is Mark. And if I ever need to get back in there, just right click, go to Properties, and I can get right back in there and change anything I would like. So now I've got an operator set up. Let's go take a look at creating a job now.